Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College, Nagercoil. Multi-string colorful beads, when threaded together, make an exquisite design for a beautiful necklace. At Holy Cross College, Nagercoil, events are like beads in a necklace that, when strung together, add value to each calendar day of the year. Here's presenting to you news updates for the second half of the month of February 2023. February 17, 2023. One-day National Conference on Advances in Material Science. The Department of Physics organized a one-day national conference on advances in material science in St. Joseph's Hall of the college. In the inaugural session of the conference, Dr. Sahaya Selvi, the principal of the college, offered her felicitations. Dr. Hubert Joe, professor and head of the Department of Nanoscience and Technology, University of Kerala, Kariyavatam campus, delivered the first invited lecture on surface-enhanced Raman spectroscopic analysis for biomaterials. In the second invited lecture, Sri Sundararajan, Scientific and Environmental Survey Officer, Nuclear Power Station Kudankulam, spoke on the role of nuclear energy in sustainable development and solutions to climate change. Jute bags were distributed to all registered participants of the seminar to promote eco-friendly living. February 17 and 24, 2023. Achievements in Intercollegiate Max Fest. In an Intercollegiate Max Fest conducted by the Noorul Islam Center for Higher Education in collaboration with Nagercoil Science Forum, our students won several prizes in the Rangoli, Tricky Max, Mime, Art from Waste, Dance and Singing competitions and were rewarded with the overall trophy. On February 24, 2023, in another intercollegiate competition conducted by Alfonsa College of Arts and Science, Karungal, our students won prizes in the Max Model, Max Art, Max Group Song and Max Poetry competition and bagged the overall trophy. February 19 to 25, 2023. 7-day special NSS Camp. The National Service Scheme unit of our college organized a special 7-day NSS camp at Musani Nagar and Tsunami Colony of Pallam Panchayat, Kanyakumari district on the theme Clean India and the role of youth in the use and promotion of manjapai or eco-friendly cloth bags and eco-friendly practices. 93 NSS volunteers cutting across various departments participated in and benefited from the camp, in which messages on social and environmental awareness, conservation and protection were communicated to the residents of the village at the campsite. A free dental camp was also organized to benefit the villagers. In appreciation of the green initiatives of the college, the Pasumai Mudalvan Award was conferred on the college by the Pallam Panchayat. The camp was coordinated and supervised by the NSS program officers, Dr. Pradeepa, Dr. Abila Jabba Queen, Dr. Jasmine Vinoja and Ms. Vischa. February 21 and 22, 2023. ISEM Tech Management Conclave, ITMC 2023. In the ISEM Tech Management Conclave held at the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, Dr. Shiba Daniel, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, and Dr. Leslie Fatima, Assistant Professor of Physics, represented the college and spoke about the research and instrumentation facilities available in our college. February 22 and 23, 2023. Medical Camp. A free medical camp for all stakeholders of the college was organized by the Rotaract Club, the Department of Physical Education and Health and Hygiene Committee. A medical team of Dr. Inigo Matilda, Dr. Preetika, Dr. Danya, Dr. Subina, Dr. Libya and 45 nurses from the Jayasekaran Hospital, Nagercoil offered their services for the smooth conduct of the camp. 500 students and 100 teaching and non-teaching staff members benefited from the camp. February 24, 2023. Holy Cross Innovation Contest. The Institution and Innovation Council and Innovation and Incubation Center of our college organized the Holy Cross Innovation Contest to promote scientific thinking, innovation and creativity among college students. 14 teams from several colleges participated in the contest. Models designed by the participants based on original and novel ideas to save and conserve energy, the environment, and new technologies were on display. Holy Cross College, won the first and second cash prizes of Rs 5,000 and Rs 3,000 each. The team of contestants from Sadak Abdullah College, Tirunelveli won a sum of Rs 2,000 as the third prize. National Seminar on Emerging Trends in Functional Analysis and Graph Theory. The Department of Mathematics (ESIF) organized a one-day national seminar on emerging trends in functional analysis and graph theory at the seminar hall of the college. In the inaugural session, Dr. Sister Sahaya Selvi, the principal of the college, offered her felicitations, and Dr. Raja from Amrita College gave a special address. Two technical sessions followed. In the first technical session, Dr. Robert Victor Edward, the principal of Scott Christian College, Nagercoil, delivered a lecture on the functional analytical approach to coding theory. Dr. Ulas Chandran, assistant professor of mathematics, Mahatma Gandhi College, Thiruvananthapuram, in his lecture, shed light on the position game played on graphs. Mathematicians from various colleges participated in the seminar in a bid to spread awareness of the benefits of eco-friendly practices in daily life. All the registered participants received a mancha pie. February 23 to 25, 2023, International Conference on Integrated Disciplines for Sustainable Development. It is a proud moment for our college to be an associate partner in hosting the International Conference on Integrated Disciplines for Sustainable Development, held overseas in association with Curtin University, Dubai and Scott Christian College, Nagercoil, along with iManager Publications. 7 members of our teaching staff, Dr. Vinolia Josephine Mary, Dr. Satya, Dr. Matilda, Dr. Punita, Dr. Shali, Dr. Sunita, and Dr. Snow Sharmila, accompanied by the Secretary of our college, Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, flew overseas to Curtin University, Dubai, to participate and present papers at the conference. Dr. Mary Matilda Bai, Assistant Professor of Zoology, received the Best Paper Award for her presentation at the conference. On the same day, a team of administrative committee members from the Karmavir Bahurao Patil Mahavidyalaya, Pandharpur, Maharashtra visited the college and got enlightened about the modern infrastructure, green campus initiatives, library, research lab, and innovative practices implemented by the arts and science departments of the college. In a face-to-face interaction chaired by Dr. Sister Sahaya Selvi, the principal of the college, the visiting team was apprised by the Controller of Examinations, office bearers of IQAC and extension activities. Appreciating the college for its exemplary performance, the members of the committee headed by Dr. Shitol of Karmavir Bahurao Patil Mahavidyalaya submitted a report of their observations, congratulated the college for its achievements, and admitted that the visit will help them take home and implement some of the best practices of the host. February 27, 2023, International Conference on Innovative Strategies in Astro and Synthetic Organic Chemistry. On February 27, 2023, the PG Research Department of Chemistry organized an international conference on innovative strategies in Astro and Synthetic Organic Chemistry at Multipurpose Hall. In the inaugural session, Dr. Sister Sahaya Selvi gave her felicitations and released the conference proceedings. In the first invited lecture, Dr. Gopinathan Muthuswamy, synthetic chemist, Toronto Research Chemicals, Toronto, Canada, explained in detail the recent applications of stereoselective synthesis with examples. In the second invited lecture, Dr. Rabin Rajan, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Mar Evenes College, Autonomous, Thiruvananthapuram, enlightened the participants about the history and importance of astrochemistry in chemical evolution. As part of the college's Green Initiative, Manjapai was distributed to all participants. February 28, 2023, Intercollegiate Tirukkural Competition. The 6th Kanyakumari Vinachi Araichi Vyagalamarial Intercollegiate Tirukkural Competition was held at the Multipurpose Hall of the college. Dr. Sister Sahaya Selvi, the principal of the college, offered her felicitations, and former professor of Tamil, Dr. Hermina Jilt Araichi, introduced the objective of the intercollegiate competition. Dr. Bernard Chandra, former professor of commerce at St. Saviour's College, Palayam Kotai, Mr. Vijay Kumar, proprietor of CureTech Civil Services, Chennai, Dr. Justin Beulah, the head of the Department of Tamil, shared insights and congratulated the organizers. In the intercollegiate competitions that followed, students from various colleges participated. Student participants from Government Arts and Science College, Konam, bagged the first prize. The second prize was won by the host, and the students of Infant Jesus Arts and Science College, Mulagbodu, won the third prize. The intercollegiate competition was coordinated by Dr. Daisy Bai, Assistant Professor of Tamil SF. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College Nagercoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of the Campus News. Thank you.